Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you guys stopped by. Today I'm going to be doing an Undecorate with me video. I'm taking down all of my fall decor as well as cleaning as I go. And I am super excited about Christmas, getting ready to, as we speak, decorate my entire house, and I'll film that for you guys as well. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So first I'm going to just kind of clean up this area and take all of my fall decor and put it into the bins. Okay, and I know this is not a fall scent, but I am really loving the lavender right now. I have like almost every scent of Mrs. Meyer's, and I stumbled across this one again in my little stash, and oh my god, I'm so in love with the scent right now. So my little one loves to help me take down the fall decor, so you'll see her throughout this video helping me, but then she kind of got a little bit bored, so she went to go play with her sister. So I'm actually planning on keeping these because I can always like re-fragrance them with some more like essential oils or something of that nature. So I'm just going to put them in a Ziploc bag and save them for next year. So as you can see, my bin is overflowing already, and I only had one bin originally for all of my fall decor, but I've kind of grown since, so I just went to the garage and grabbed an extra bin that I had purchased previously. And I like to use the clear bins just because I like to be able to see what's inside of them. I know it's like all fall decor, but I still like to know what's inside. So next I'm just moving on to my kitchen area, and I'm just removing everything except my salt and pepper shakers. I really like these pumpkin ones, and I think that they can make do for the winter season, so I just keep them out. Okay, I know it's kind of hard to see, but there is a window right here to my left on the screen. But yeah, it's all my walls are white. I was just talking with a friend yesterday about how I like white walls, and my whole entire house is white walls. So yeah, it's kind of everything kind of blends in, but I love it. Okay, this was such a big mistake to use furniture polish on a wet table. I don't know why. I think I was in a rush and I was just trying to like cut my time in half, but big mistake. It left a lot of streaks on my table, so I had to redo my table after that.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. One day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful.
So this was my first time trying the Barkeepers, the liquid version for the stovetop, and I really liked it a lot. I can't seem to find something though to take away that black ring around, especially the larger burner. So I'm still working on finding something, but this did a pretty good job.
And then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, started writing, probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like ooh, baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song, and I tried to make it beautiful. It's a song about your sweetheart, and how nobody can steal me.
And I cannot wait to decorate my coffee bar area for Christmas. I'm super excited. I did it for the first time last year, and it was a lot of fun. I love going to the Target dollar spot and trying to fit in one of their new items into my coffee bar. So that's kind of like my thing right now.
He held her close under the moonlight as they kept on dancing. And now they're singing their love song, and they sing it kind of beautiful, calling each other sweetheart. I promise nobody can get in their way or steal the show. They're in love now, and I wanted you to know.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop
Okay, so I got most of the areas clean, and as you can see, I barely made it work with the 2 bins. I don't want to go over 2 bins. I think that's overkill for me and my taste. I don't want too much stuff going on, and as this is already enough as it is. So hopefully I don't go over 2 bins in the future, but this is what I plan to keep it to going forward. And I'm just going to finish up by vacuuming the entire floor because it kind of got like stuff everywhere from the fall decor. So this is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and just make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on any future videos that I post, because I'm getting ready to post Christmas videos. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys are as well, and hopefully you guys really enjoy these types of videos. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see going forward. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.